welcome to at another Fresh Day. I hope you guys you're doing excellent. So today I brought you for new inspiring character. Who is founder of Alibaba? Can you guess? Please let me know in the comment box. Who is he? He is a very good businessman. And why I want to describe just because I want to describe because he is a very good businessman and I'm also good business woman girl. So that's why I want to describe whenever I come across YouTube. So that times I watch this kind of video. It's helpful for my business and I watched just because I feel very motivated. You know, who is Jack Ma?
School test for 2 times, and I failed 3 times for the middle schools.
Jack Ma's real name is Mayun, but people call Mayun so that times hard pronounce. So that's why people call Jack Ma. And who suggested this name? I will definitely describe in this video. So please watch my video till the end because in this video it's helpful for your learning. Jack Ma is a belong to lower family. There is no any luxurious. There is no any car. There is no any motorcycle. He has only one bicycle, old bicycle, and every day he went one hotel. Every day he went one hotel 5 o'clock. And why he went hotel? Just because there is number of foreigner clients stay that hotel. And why he wants to go? Just because he don't know English and he want to speak English, so that's why he want to go. Every day he go and he give free service. What kind of free service? He suggested place. Whenever you will go these kind of places, so there is number of place, ma'am, you visit. So this kind of suggestion he every day gives, and that times he learned English. Time is passing, and then he went one university, Harvard University. So that times he meet one American guy. American guy, he told, your name is Mayun, but whenever I pronounce your name, so that time it's hard to me. So I will call Jack. You accepted my name? Yes, I will accept your name. So that time everyone told Jack and why he felt many times, even rejection also. Just because he's a thin guy, he's a tiny guy, there is no any good personality. But that time he believed himself. Just because he don't know how to speak in English. There is no any surround. In a school 2 times, in a middle school 3 times, in a college 5 times, in university 10 times he failed. He wants to become a police officer. So that times he failed just because there is no any personality, good personality. He is a tiny and even thin body. And another, he apply one form which is hotel. So that times people rejected. You don't have good personality. Why we hired? So that time he laughed and he told himself, and however, I will definitely go and I start my own business. So that times American guy and Jack Ma, both of them went USA. So that times he learned related to internet. So that times he is in 31 years old. So that times he don't know how to use internet. So teacher tell them how to use internet. So one day he went one cafe. There is also system and he searched. So he searched Chinese beer and he searched American beer and he searched German beer. But there is no any Chinese beer. And he told, like, there is no any Chinese beer. What I will do? And he came back China and he asked himself, I want to create my own internet connection. In my China, there is no anyone how to use internet. So that times he told and he borrowed money, $20. And that times he create own internet connection like search bar. And then what happened? He fell. And then he called his friend. There is 17 friend. He told I want to grow my internet search bar. Are you interested? So that times he laughed. Are you crazy, Jack? Really, you want to create search bar engine, this kind of engine? There is no anyone want to interested and invest your company. And people laugh. And what you call? So that times he told, I will give one name Alibaba. So that times one friend he told, why you will give this name? There is number of name, so you will provide. So that times he told, Alibaba, everyone knows there is 43. So that's why I will give this name. And then time is passing and Jack Ma and even friend, both of them door to door, and they told you are interested, and there is number of businessmen and they told you are interested to shift your item in a social media. So that times people laugh and people judge also, you are crazy. No anyone wants to interest your business, you can go. And then he failed. And then what happened? And there is no any option, and he applied also bank loan. And one day 10 times rejection also in a bank. No anyone invest his company. So he one day meet one USA client. So that times he told both of them communicate, and then he told, I want to invest your company, and I want to invest your company, and I want to give $20 billion. Sorry, 20 billion. So that time Jack Ma shocked and he told, why you invest 20 billion? You don't know my company, so why you invest 20 billion? So that times why I invest just because of you, your communication skills. So that's why I want to invest your company. And then Jack Ma hired good knowledgeable person, and then time is passed and created Taobao. Everyone knows. And then it's a big company and there is number of people walking under. And then there is one again, time is passing, and then one company, eBay. And eBay also Taobao. So both of them fighting each other. And then eBay it's high and Alibaba it's gonna down. So that times every person told Jack Ma, Jack Ma, now we are Alibaba gonna down. So what we will do? And eBay also growing. that times every person is scared, and then they told we are gonna down, so what we will do, it's there is no any option. So eBay, whenever you go for eBay, so that times when you open eBay, so it's like a, I can say eBay invest any money and then you use it. And in a Jack Mark, what kind of perspective you told, we will provide free service. There is no any charges. Whenever you will go Taobao, so that time there is no any charges, and you easily to search whatever you want to. And then eBay is down and Alibaba also higher. And one day Amazon also and Yahoo also, Amazon and Yahoo, they want to connect Alibaba. And then Jack Ma, he accepted both of them. And then that time I run my own company. I just want to company like partnership. That's it. And then he built very good company and he run very smoothly, and he also support Amazon, even Yahoo also, just because of self confidence. You have also self confidence, so one day you will definitely you become a successful. And why I describe that person, because he is a very good businessman and he felt many times, he don't know even single English, but now he built internet just because, and he is a very good businessman just because of self confidence. And you also have self confidence, so please stick your confidence. Don't feel regret, don't feel rejection. It's okay, it's part of our life. Rejection, it's part of our life, and learning, it's part of our life. And I'm also, earlier in my beginning time, so that times I don't know in a single sentence how to speak. I'm purely Hindi medium student, and even my schooling government school, there is no any like English environment, and now I don't have any English environment. Why I learn and why I speak this kind of, and why I gain this kind of fluency, just because I did my lot of efforts. And I also suggest you guys, please, you really want to speak fluent, so stick your goal and keep learning. Yeah. And if you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर.